We begin by using a clear anodized aluminum frame. This frame is unique in many ways. It's adjustable, no welds to break or corrode. The frame rails and adjustable slide nuts can be moved to accommodate any pump size or configuration. It's light, weighing in at 9 pounds. Try that with a steel frame. It's strong. The frame can handle up to 500 pounds with no deflection. It's corrosion resistant. Anodized aluminum does not corrode like steel or even stainless steel. Stainless steel welds are particularly vulnerable to corrosion and ugly discoloration. It's compact, with dimensions of 27 inches wide by 24 inches long, for a duplex pump skid up to 7.5 horsepower, and GPM ratings up to 450. Every frame comes with 4 leveler feet and 4 tie-down points to attach to the floor. Next comes the pumps. TAW uses only stainless steel pumps, standard 304 or optional 316. No epoxy to flake off, no iron to rust or seize. All our pumps are NSF 61 certified, and the systems have been certified as a package. The pumps quickly bolt up to the frame, producing a good-looking and rugged package. Next come the headers. TAW uses only stainless steel 304 or optional 316 stainless steel. We use cast fittings to allow us to build quickly and change the configuration based on the application. Cast fittings are thicker than extruded headers, and the water running through them are quieter due to this. We build our headers to keep the water velocity below 10 feet per second, although a cast header at 10 feet per second will sound like an extruded header at 6 feet per second. We use no lead brass ball valves, high quality with integral unions to remove the pumps without needing to depressurize the building. We exclusively use VFD rated check valves made by Flowmatic, designed to outlast typical check valves when using VFDs. They are much quieter and do not chatter. These valves come with a standard 5-year warranty. The inlet and outlet headers come standard with a female MPT thread fitting for the customer connection. ANSI flanges are optional. Next comes the motor. TAW uses only totally enclosed fan-cooled, known as TEFC, motors. Although more costly than ODP motors, open drip proof, they are quieter, smoother, prevent rodents, insects, dust, or water to enter the motor. This makes for a more reliable, quieter, and smoother running system. Next come the drives. Now this is where the magic happens. With our exclusive IP built into the software of the drive. TAW uses only waterproof variable frequency drives, also known as a VFD. Not all VFDs are created equal. TAW VFDs are rated at 50 degrees C operating temperature, a full 10 degrees higher than most competitors' 40 degrees rating. Mean time before failure doubles with every degree over this maximum operating temperature. Yes, the hardware is impressive, but the software is amazing. No other manufacturer has the innovation we built into our drive software. And since we have no PLC, no HMI, no fans, no filters, power supplies, or expensive bulky cabinets, we can compete in both size and price. Better yet, we can beat them in reliability, since we do not have all those extra components to fail. We modulate our motors at 16 kilohertz. The motor loves the higher carrier frequency, but the drive efficiency can suffer. TAW has an exclusive temperature monitor that automatically reduces the carrier based on the drive's heatsink temperature. If the drive reaches 40 degrees C, the PWM is reduced until the temperature stops rising. The result is a super quiet running motor with a cool running VFD. TAW develops its own algorithms. While most competitors slap a generic VFD on their system, TAW draws on its 40-plus years experience to custom program its drives and provide second-to-none performance. A few examples are: anti-cavitation algorithm prevents the pump from cavitating. The pump speed will be decreased until the demand stops outpacing the supply. Our no-flow algorithm, super accurate and adjustable down to 0.2 GPM. This will shut down the pump if the flow goes below this. This prevents the pump from overheating or deadheading. The sensitivity of this circuit is adjustable in the drive. Our high demand and load share turns on the second pump if the first pump cannot keep up. It will stay on as long as the demand exceeds one pump's ability to keep up. Our electronic bladder tank allows the water pressure to slowly bleed down to a minimum PSI. If the rate of the pressure drop is high, the pump will immediately come on. But if there is a slow leak down over minutes or hours, the pressure will be allowed to drop to this adjustable minimum pressure. Once reached, the pump will turn on and raise the pressure back to set point and turn off, awaiting a real demand. Alternation occurs when both pumps stop or when one pump exceeds 24 hours continuous run. Bumpless alternation allows the second pump to take over when the first pump reaches for 24 hours or more, without pressure loss. This maintains equal runtime on both pumps. If a pump is turned off or power is removed, it is automatically retaken out of alternation. Exercise routine happens if the pump is not run for 24 hours. The pump will then run at 30 Hz for 5 seconds to prevent pump seizing. Our pump curve extension algorithm will run the pump past 60 Hz while monitoring the motor current. This allows the pump to provide higher heads when operating at mid to left of the curve. The FLA is monitored and max speed limited to keep the motor running at full load without overloading. One of our most impressive algorithms is our predictive PID, which is TAW's exclusive algorithm that allows our system to respond to demand changes with virtually no overshoot. The pressure response is very close to a square wave and will recover up to 50 psi in less than 1.7 seconds with no ring. Another reason we do not need a bladder tank due to our fast response to pressure changes. When the pressure is at set point, the pressure is perfectly steady to plus or minus 1 psi. Every system comes with two 95 decibel sound alerts, so if a drive or a transducer fails, the system will give you an audible alarm. The alarm can be reset by pushing the stop button. If a drive trips, the drive will automatically attempt to restart up to 5 times, waiting 20 seconds between restarts. The time is automatically increased if the drive experiences higher currents or temperature. A ground fault will not be reset. This must be manually reset. TAW packs more technology, more reliability, and more performance into our boosters, drawing from 40 plus years of motor control and pump experience. When you purchase a TAW booster, you can be assured there is no better made product on the market, and we back it up with our 3-year warranty and second to none customer service. The unique method we produce our products allows us to deliver quickly. Typical delivery is 2 to 3 weeks, or less. If you need it quicker, we have been able to produce systems in as little as 24 hours with a nominal expedite fee. So next time someone needs it fast, needs it right, and cost effective, we can provide all three. I leave you with our mission statement. Build a quality product and the market will find you. You may be able to buy cheaper, but you will never buy better. Thank you for your time in watching this video, and I wish all our reps, distributors, and customers a pleasant experience selling and using a well-made product from TAW. Thank you and have a great day.